Greetings everyone. Welcome back to another technical outlook episode. And then we'll be looking on how the week is progressing and how the charts have been moving and any potential trades to be taken this day or during the course of the week. I hope you are well. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Sorry about that. So without any further ado, guys, looking at the US dollar index on the 4-hour time frame. So if I zoom out, we'd see that the US dollar, right, the dollar index has been on a downtrend for quite some time, giving us lower lows, low, 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 and breaking the lows, right? So the latest low was the low at this zone right here. This zone right here, we have a low of 103.230 dollar region and a low at 103.198 dollar region. So the latest low was this one that price broke out of. So with this impulse, considering that we anticipate that we get a pullback on the dollar index. So guys, remember, we do not trade the dollar index, but we trade the pairs that correlate with the dollar index. If you've watched my videos and followed this channel long enough, you'd know that what we do on the dollar index is analyze the dollar index, because it's a fiat currency, and whatever the dollar index pushes impacts that the currencies, the most of the financial markets, the gold, the Nasdaq, the indices, and etc. So when the dollar index rises, it means that the USD JPY is rising. Every pair that the code currency is USD will rise, right? And every pair that the USD is a base currency will sell. So let me just draft the example here. When the US dollar is rising, right, USD, it means that the USD is bullish. It means the XXX, this is the base currency, and then this is the code currency. So when the US dollar index is rising, it means that the pairs that start with the USD will rise as well. And then XXX, when the code currency is not USD and USD is the base currency, it means that this will sell, right, according to what we are looking at right now. It means that USD JPY right now is a bullish pulling back, and then Euro USD right now it is bearish pulling back to the previous low, as well as gold and etc. Right? So this is how you identify, you look at the dollar index. So what I'm saying is that when the dollar index is this pulling back like we are seeing right now, right, it's pulling back to the previous high. So we'll start to take sells here on the dollar index, but you're not taking sells on the dollar index. It means now we'll be looking to take buys on Euro USD, we'll be looking to take buys on the gold, and then we will be looking to take sells on the USD JPY, on the USD CAD. So let's look at another pair here to check. So guys, continuing, this is the Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. As I was explaining to you guys about the pair correlation with the dollar index, this is what happens. So remember, the dollar index is pulling back to the upside, right? And then now, as I said, that it's the Euro USD will be opposite, because the dollar is not the base currency, but it is not the code currency, but it's the base currency. So now here price broke out of this low, and we're looking to just drop, pull back a bit to test the previous breakout here, and then drop. This could be our next possible move before maybe we buy, and then I'll drop another video. 1.08776 dollar region because of this low, or even we might break this low and drop off low to this week here at 1.08518, right? This is what I'm anticipating. If we were like price, then we have an impulse and pull back, maybe buyers would buy here and continue the market. But now price didn't give us a bullish candle, but instead it broke out of the demand zone. So this zone is no longer demand zone, but it's the supply zone, and so why the setup is like this. I'm already in a couple of sells on the other accounts, right, on my account. Let's look at the other pair. So guys, now as we are looking at the gold, ZAW USD gold on the 4 hour time frame. So with the gold, right, we have a high here, né? And then with that high, it hasn't been tapped into. The high haven't been tapped into. It's only a single high. So with my experience trading gold, I believe that we might just rise and tap to create a second touch there, then we will sell from there. I took a couple of scalping buy positions which I just lost a few minutes ago because it failed to buy, but then it's okay. I was just testing and scalping. So I'm anticipating that we can buy a bit, rise a bit, and just sell from there, because gold is not moving directly with the dollar index correlation, even if it is a little bit, but it tends to move its own direction. But then before the sell, because we still need to pull back to this low to create the double bottom, another part, because the market respects the demand zone after multiple touches, 2 or more, right? So we only got a 1 touch, so we need another touch to make sure that this move is foolproof. We're going to buy, right? Sorry, even on this one, we might need to get another touch there before we sell, unless we break out of this low. So if we break out of this low at $23.5 region, then we will see an impulse and a pullback, then we sell, then that's our take profit. So guys, this is what I'm anticipating for this final remainder of the week, and possibly even this day, because prices have been consolidating and now we'll be looking to get more impulsive. Cheers.